Welcome to my new course on how to use AI in healthcare marketing. With over 16 years of experience in teaching consumer marketing best practices to healthcare professionals, I'm here to guide you through leveraging AI tools effectively for healthcare marketing. Join me as I share my learnings from the last 3 years of implementing AI toolsets, as well as insights from my work as a chatbot response writer and evaluator. Throughout this course, we'll delve into AI-powered marketing strategies while keeping compliance with healthcare regulations like HIPAA in mind. From branding to content, to design to workflow improvements, we'll cover essential healthcare marketing topics, focusing on crafting effective prompts and discovering ways to generate accurate AI results. When you sign up, you'll discover a downloadable resource library of 200 customizable prompts, while you enjoy entertaining demos of 40 AI-enabled tools that can help you improve key tactics like image creation, video editing, and evidence-based blog generation. And I'll help you stay ahead with a free subscription to Enable Healthcare Marketing, a monthly LinkedIn newsletter showcasing ongoing AI advancements. When you embrace AI, you'll save time and money while enhancing creativity and uplifting health education for our community. AI doesn't replace your skills, it augments them. And I can assure you, if you aren't presently learning how to incorporate AI into healthcare marketing, your competitors are. And they will use it to run circles around those who don't. So, join me on this journey to integrate AI seamlessly into your healthcare marketing practice. Let's elevate our skills to deliver impactful communication that transforms healthcare. Enroll now. It's time for you to unlock the power of AI.